Hi, it's Ivy Slater. I don't know how many of you are Rolling Stones fans, but I can tell you I am one of them. One of those songs that were, we all need someone to lean on. And I remember watching Mick Jagger on stage, really taking the stage, singing his heart out. We all need someone to lean on. We've been in this back to school, back to work hybrid approach, and we all still need someone to lean on. Surround yourself with community. We just relaunched a few of our roundtables after a short hiatus over the summer for people to take vacations and such. And one of my clients came on and said today, Ivy, it feels so good to be back. It feels so good to be surrounded by people who have my back, who help me brainstorm, who help me think forward, who help me get out of the weeds in the day-to-day. My suggestion for you is identify who in your world are those people. Whether it be team members, whether it be your own coach, mentorship program, mastermind, roundtable, whatever it is you're involved in, know who your community is. Is it some friends? Is it business associates? What is it looking like? You know, many years ago, I was part of a networking group, and this small group of women, as it dissolved, stayed together, these 8 women, for years. And we used to still get together for lunch once a month, once a quarter, and we still stay connected in various forms today. But when somebody had something they were going through that was really exciting, we all rallied. If it was on social media, if it was on text messages or phone calls, rallied around her and for her as she moved through it and moved forward to wonderful, wonderful success. Who are the people who are cheering and rallying for you? Know that you want to identify them and know them at a moment's notice. I know I could pick up my phone and reach out anytime. And I do. You know, it's vitally important. So my suggestions for you today, if you don't already have that answer, that's okay. Take a deep breath and say, gee, 1, 2, or 3 people that I would trust in my network that I would reach out to when I want to brainstorm, talk through ideas, play with something new, complain to on a bad day, and help rally me to move me forward. Who are those 3 people in your world? Know them, keep them on speed dial, gather them in a group over a coffee, a cocktail, a lunch, in person or virtual, whatever the thing is. Make sure it's happening. That's where success is. See you next week.